You have to push it.
Thanks.
Alright, move over. It's going.
You're welcome.
Hey, how are you? He riding the first bike with the training wheels on it. Come on, let's go. He don't have. Kick your heels, kick your heels. He's gonna go that way. Okay, go ride. Good. This is, I bought it at thrift shop. It was $3.99, and when I got home, brought it home, and then there's no chain, so I have to give me another bike that has the same size of chain that I paid $3.99 for it, and I have to take it off from the other bike and put it back on, and it was I had a time, and I have to buy tools to take the chain off. So by the time I spent everything, and I spent more than $10. Anyway, he's doing great. Come on, Lincoln. Come on.
Where he go?
Wait, who?
No, that man.
What is his name? Oh, he delivering packages. All right. Come on. Kick your, yeah, there you go. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Only help me.
I don't, okay, I won't help you. But you know, when you going down, it's going to go at the speed. Ew. Okay. I'm going to take it from the front. All right, come on. You're doing great, Lincoln. Hey. Can you wave? Do you have room? Oh, great.